guys, so here's the new bacon chicken ranch wrap. I'll be doing a review about it, and yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Hold on, just show you guys. You can read it here, and yeah. And besides Tim Hortons, this is not a sponsorship. Whoever's watching this, and yeah, just enjoy. This is not a sponsorship. So I'm just gonna do the reviewing, see what's up with this new chicken ranch bacon. Let's check it out. It'll be looking like this. I'm still gonna open it. Whoa. And wow. Let's tear it up. Oh, I didn't tear it up all around the bottom. Silly of me. Anyways, yeah, it will turn out like this, guys. Hold on. Let me find a good one. How's that? Anyways, guys, let me take a bite of this, then go from there. Oh my, that's good. Check it out. It's with bacon. It's with some chicken, of course. That sounds like, ooh man, wow. Let me just pull it out. Wow. Very good. Okay, let me show it. Best. Check it out right here. Check it out. This is good. Ask you if you want grilled or crispy. I say grill. This is TV. You might review inside it. Wow. It's awesome. Wow. The Defense Secretary under the Obama administration to the end. Oh, this is awesome. I would recommend trying it. It's good. And whoa, it's dripping. Sauce. Whoa. Wow. That's some sauce. Travel-based lawyer and fellow veteran Salvador Vivo Medellea is the veteran's choice for executive secretary. Medellea is the son of former Supreme Court Justice Leo Medellea. High-profile lawyer Salvador Panelo will be his presidential spokesperson. Panelo will protect his legal counsel in the professional law controversy. Another lawyer from Sonora, Arthur Sugade, is being eyed to head the Transportation and Communication Department. Sugade was Duterte's law school classmate and was Clark Development Corporation president and CEO. Check it out. Tim Hortons. Good job. Tastes good. It was awesome. Will I order it again? Of course. When? I never know. Check this out. Very good. Would highly recommend it to all of you guys around the world, wherever you guys have Tim Hortons. Yeah.
You know what this goes? Goes into the recycle. Reuse this again. Put waste in its place, guys. Put waste on its place. It's me signing off. I'll go from this again to chicken. The new one, actually. New chicken bacon ranch wrap. Take a look. Right there. Don't mind about the noise. Just watching TV. I'm in the kitchen. It's right there. Check it out. I'll put a link in the description. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Google+. Check me there. And yeah, highly recommend it. I didn't take a picture of the food. I just did it quickly. Food review. So stay tuned. You'll check out the other guys next video when it's coming. So yeah. Okay, guys. It's Mike doing the review and the new chicken bacon ranch wrap. What can I say? I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, guys, 8 out of 10 for the bacon cheese wrap. Bacon. Oops, my bad. Anyways, guys, you know what I mean? There won't be any edits of this. Keep it real, keep it raw. So try this new stuff. Pretty good. 8.5 I'll give it. If you have something better, Tim Hortons, you're watching this, let's find it. Hopefully can make this a 9 or at least a 10. The next one I'll try it out, and if I find something that's 10 out of 10, boom, shoot it, right? Tastes good. Till then, this is not a sponsorship. I'll see you guys soon. So don't forget to like, subscribe, have fun, stay safe, enjoy, and live life to the fullest, guys. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Take care.